Welcome to Immigration Info, your ultimate hub for all things immigration. Looking for visa tips, country guides, and the latest immigration updates? You're in the right place. Subscribe for expert insights and join our global community today.
Applying for a green card while on a tourist visa, is it possible? Can you apply for a green card while inside the United States on a tourist visa? This question often arises for many visitors who find themselves wanting to extend their stay in the U.S. In this video, we will explore whether it's feasible to change your status from a tourist visa to a green card and what steps you need to take to make this transition successful. Understanding the tourist visa. A tourist visa, also known as a visitor visa, is a common type of visa that allows people from around the world to visit the United States for a temporary period. While a tourist visa is usually valid for up to 10 years, it only permits a stay of up to 6 months at a time. During this period, some visitors may realize they wish to remain in the U.S. permanently. However, it's crucial to be cautious. Making mistakes early on in your stay can jeopardize your chances of obtaining a green card in the future. Can you change your status? The possibility of changing your status from a tourist visa to a green card depends on several factors. The United States Immigration and Nationality Act, INA, outlines specific provisions for such a transition. Here are the 5 key requirements you must meet to be eligible. Legal entry. You must have entered the U.S. legally, meaning you were inspected and admitted at a port of entry. It's not enough to simply have a tourist visa. You must have properly logged your entry into the country. Proper filing. You need to file an application for adjustment of status correctly. This usually involves having a qualifying family member or employer who is willing to sponsor your green card application. Typically, this application should be filed at least 90 days after entering the U.S. Physical presence. You must be physically present in the U.S. while your application is being processed. This may seem obvious, but it's a crucial step that many overlook. Eligibility for an immigrant visa. You must be eligible to receive an immigrant visa. For example, if you are married to a U.S. citizen, you may be eligible for an immediate visa. Visa availability. An immigrant visa must be available to you at the time of filing. For instance, if you're married to a green card holder, your priority date must be current to change your status. Ways to change your status from tourist visa to green card. Now that you understand the requirements, let's explore the different pathways to transition from a tourist visa to a green card. Marriage to a U.S. citizen. The most common route is marriage to a U.S. citizen. If you marry a U.S. citizen and wait at least 3 months after entering the U.S., you can apply to adjust your status to that of a green card holder. Employment sponsorship. If you find an employer willing to sponsor your green card, you can transition from a tourist visa to a work visa and eventually to a green card. This process can be lengthy, so it's often necessary to first convert your tourist visa to a work visa. Investment. If you have significant funds, at least $800,000, you can invest in a government program like the EB-5 Regional Center. Recent changes allow you to adjust your status from a tourist visa to an EB-5 green card while staying in the U.S. Exceptional ability. If you possess exceptional ability in a particular field, such as business, the arts, or sciences, you may qualify for a self-petition green card under the EB-1A or EB-2 National Interest Waiver categories. Asylum. If returning to your home country poses a risk to your safety, you can apply for asylum while on a tourist visa. If granted, you can remain in the U.S. and eventually apply for a green card.